Hey guys, it's Zoe and welcome back to another episode of Kids Cooking with Zoe. Today we're making homemade Frosty. It tastes just like a Frosty, except it's better for you. Here are the ingredients you need. First thing you need to do is slice 2 bananas and put them in the freezer so they can freeze, which I have already done. Next thing we're going to do is put them in a food processor, the bananas, which I do not have for some reason. So we're going to use a Ninja food blender and blend them with the milk. You can use whatever milk you want. I'm using almond milk, Now that that's done, we're going to add the almond butter and the cacao powder and blend it for a few more minutes. Put our ice cream in the freezer and let it freeze until it's the texture that you want. That makes me think of my new dance, the Frosty. We let it freeze because it was kind of liquidy, and ice cream is not supposed to be like that. So yeah, so now that it's done freezing, we're gonna let my professional taste tester try it. Rating from 1 to 10. I guess that's a 10.
No, it's a quadrillion.
A quadrillion?
I mean a billion.
Well, a quadrillion's higher than a billion, technically. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!